Hey guys, welcome to my tennis course where I'm going to be teaching you how to have a strong, consistent forehand. Basically, the way it's going to work is every section I'm going to be teaching you one new thing about the forehand, and as you progress through the sections, I'm going to tell you different elements to add to your forehand to build up your shot. So the forehand shot is very important because it's the most widely used shot, and you use it all the time when you're hitting back and forth with a partner. So usually you're going to be hitting your forehand on your dominant side, and it's going to be the main shot that you use when you're rallying or when you're hitting back and forth with your partner. So the way that this course works, we start off each section with a demo or like a demonstration of what I'm going to be talking about. Then I teach you the actual lesson where I break down each important part that I want you to add on to your forehand. Then I add some resources that can help you with these particular parts that you're learning. This is where my little brother comes in and explains a little bit too, because he has a pretty nice forehand and he's left-handed, so it applies to all you lefties out there. And towards the end of each lesson or each section, I'm going to be giving you a homework, right, where I ask you to go on the court and practice a couple of things so you can become better and you can implement what you learned into your shot. And for these homeworks, you don't necessarily have to go on the court with somebody. You can just go with the wall, hit with the wall, and practice what I tell you, and you should be learning. So let's get started so we can progress your forehand into a really good shot.